In our modern medical science, there is lots of research has been done in terms of looking at human body from different standpoints: chemistry, physics, anatomy, and the list can go on, physiology, etc. What is so intriguing that when you analyze the human body, you find that everything that is here on earth is there in the human body. All kinds of minerals, all kinds of metals, all kinds of trace minerals. But that is just a tiny portion of the understanding of human body and its relationship with the macrocosm, the vast universe. That is how, in order to describe the oneness of our existence with the existence of the totality of the truth, the reality, they used Sri Chakra. When you look at the description of Sri Chakra, you find an amazing discovery of herbology, for example, metallurgy, for example, astrophysics and astronomy, for example, different tiers of Sri Chakra. You find different metals and minerals that are in our universe. The thing is that why does it matter? We are talking about Sri Chakra, Tantra, Yoga, meditation, with a very clear intention and objective. That is, to find ourselves, to find that peaceful, joyful space inside us. That is why so far, most of the description of Sri Chakra that you see in the books is related to spirituality. Nothing other than that. But the tradition taught me that the subtlety of astronomy, astrology, astrophysics, for example, is buried right there in the Sri Chakra. There is something very unique when we know our relationship with the world. Okay? There is a unique world of which we are part of. But at the same time, your world is very unique, totally different from me. My world is different from hers. Her world is different from him. And yet, there is something. And something in us constantly trying to share my world with you. And this is the case with everybody. The greater the compatibility of the two people's worlds, and easier to share that two people's worlds, results into a beautiful love story. That's what brings two people together. So there is a very unique kind of world which we as an individuals embody. People of similar body, similar mind, similar race, similar values, similar attitude, similar behaviors, similar worldview, similar goals and objectives, gravitate toward each other. And it is this gravitational force which brings two lovers to each other. And it is this gravitational force which enables mother and child to respond to each other in such a unique way. Same very gravitational force attracts all these individuals in the society, enabling us to form a society, community. The more we understand the subtler forces of our body and mind and their relationship with the world outside us, the more successful, more joyful, less fearful world we create. That is why the understanding of our this little world and its capacity to reflect the whole world and vice versa is so important. And this entire wisdom and knowledge has been expressed just in one geometrical structure called Sri Chakra. Knowing of Sri Chakra is one thing, and merely seeing is another thing. Then knowing of Sri Chakra and really adopting, somehow really internalizing it is another thing. And this is what this whole meditation is all about. The anatomy of our inner shrine is totally dependent on the understanding of the anatomy of Sri Chakra and spiritual anatomy of our body and mind and the exact relationship between the two. And as soon as we understand, life is very beautiful. Our body is very sacred. Our mind is a wonderful tool. And our heart is living abode of the all-pervading divine being. This is what we are trying to understand and experience now, with this complete understanding of our oneness with Sri Chakra and Sri Chakra's oneness with this wonderful universe